Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on business logic vulnerabilities in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is inconsistent security controls. So the arbitrary users access administrative functionality. We need to access the admin panel and delete Carlos. Sweet. Let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. As always, I would appreciate that. So this time we've got to access the admin panel because of inadequate logic flaw allows arbitrary users access to. We don't have our own account. So what if we just do /admin? As only want to, let's go proxy, HTTP history, get admin. How do we tell it? My account. Oh, look at this, register. Username. What was the error? When we got admin, it said, if logged in as a don't want to cry user. So let's do Trevor at don'twannacry.com. Password, sure. Okay. What if we do username is, here's the email client. Let's see how register, CSRF, username, email, password. So let's go back here and do Trevor. I don't know how tricky we need to get. Okay. Refresh this. Username Trevor, password. And then don'twannacry.com. I saw this ability and I think that's the right, except for I don't remember the domain name. There we go. Don'twannacry.com. Boom. There we go. And look, now we've got the admin panel. Ha! And it's just a delete. Okay, so in this one, pkate, we need a new file. One, to register new account using the email client email client email address. 2, log in as the new user. 3, update email address to whatever at don'twannacry.com. 4, visit admin panel. 5, or no, after that we can just 4, delete Carlos and solve. Okay, so that's what we've got to do. Let's start. Boom, boom, home. Copy this. Python. Yeah. Utils. Create this. Shop. All right. And Vim inconsistent security controls. So we need to get this email address. So this is the exploit/email. I don't know if I have. Let's go to utils site email. Getting email log. No getting email address. So we'll add get exploit email. Yeah. Def get exploit email self address. Because this isn't getting the whole thing. It's just getting that email address. Log.info getting exploit email address. If self dot, I'm just copying this. It's none. Do that. Else. And then exploit URL. Yeah, that's right. Oh, well, crap. Why don't I just do, instead of all of this, why don't I do self.get email log self get self.get email log, and then I want log.info resp.text for now. And I need to save that resp equals. Okay. And here I want get exploit email address. Shop.get exploit email address. All right. We want, it's going to be under your email address is, that's what I want. H6, your email address is, copy. And then I want that here. So self.extract text pattern equals R. I'll do single quote, boom, dot asterisk question mark, boom, end H4. pattern resp.text. This is what we're returning. Okay. Now here we can do email address equals that log.info exploit email address. Boom. Let's try that. That looks right to me. Sweet. So we've got the email address. Now we need to register, which is this post register. And where did we do that? That was, we had to get /register to get the CSRF, right? Yeah. So we want to get /register. Register. We need, because we need the CSRF. So, what's the one to get the CSRF? Login. Extract CSRF. So, is registered. This is not going to be. I'm not going to put that there yet. We'll do it like this, just to make it easy. Def register. So if it needs to go into the one of the utils classes, it'll be easy because it's already separated here. We need the shop for sure. And then we want to get response. Shop.get response. Shop.base URL plus register. The reason I want that resp equals because then I can do shop.extract CSRF resp.text CSRF equals that. What else do we need? Username, email, and password. So we need the self shop dot no, we need if shop dot no proxy resp dot resp request dot post to URL, and the URL is /register. URL equals shop dot base URL plus register, which I can put there and then change this to URL. Request.posts. We need CSRF data equals data. Do we need cookies? No. Data equals boom. CSRF username. Let's do me again. Email. This is where we need to receive that email. password. We'll just make that static to password for now. Okay, so we post that. We don't need anything else, right? Resp equals else. Something like that. Let's make a log.info registering account. All right. That should be good. Let's shop email address equals register shop email address. Like that. Let's try it. We might get an error because that'll be the second email address. Second time we're registering that one email address. So I don't see any posts here. Get where's the freaking post? If shop no proxy. Oh. Utils dot proxies equals utils dot proxies verifies false. I need to run this again to see if that register actually worked. And then there's the post register. So we need to get a session. Where do we get the session? We can do it when we get the register. So when we get the register page, get response cookies session equals resp dot headers dot get set cookie or rest maybe cookies. Get session, something like that. Log.info session. Let's try that. Not submit it. That looks like a good session to me. Get register. Yep. All right. Now we need, when we submit this, session is that, so cookies equals session, and then here, cookies equals cookies. Same here. All right, now let's try this. Make sure we get registered. It's a long video for such an easy exploit. Post register, we got a 200. So if resp dot status, what is it? Status code equals 200 log.info registration successful. Sweet. We don't need to do that one anymore now. All right. We finished registering. Now we need to log in as that user. And in order to do that, we need to go to here and extract the freaking this thing. This URL. This link. All right. So now we need to go. We have something. It is exploit log. No, email log. Let's try that. Shop.get email log. Does it need anything? No. Log.info resp.text. All right. There it is. Please follow the link. So ahref. We want something with that has temp registration token. So temp registration URL equals shop.extract text resp.text. Pattern equals R single quote. We're going to do A space href. We need double quote. Equals double quote. Boom. Wait, what? No, single quote. Dot asterisk question mark temp dash registration dash token dot asterisk question mark single quote space. Stop the capture group there. Target. Something like that. Boom. Close that. Log.info temp reg URL. All right, let's see how that works. That looks exactly right to me. We got N95W. Sweet. So now we need to visit that URL, right? So shop.get response temp reg URL. Resp equals resp log.info resp.text. Sure. We'll leave that one. We won't show that one. Invalid token. And that's probably because it's already been whatever, done up. So let's go see how we did it here. we get a 200. Let's check if that copy. So we'll do here if boom in resp.text log.info account registration successful. All right. Else log.error account registration was not successful. I don't know if I want to exit here. Probably sys.exit. Okay. We finally got registered. Now we need to log in. So we can do shop.login with the account that we registered, which was Trevor, and the password was password because we just, Trevor password, hard-coded those. We can update email address. So how do we do that? My account, login, post, login, post, this one. We need to get the CSRF from shop.login. This is going to give us resp cookies equals that. And in the resp, we should have right here the CSRF. So we can do shop.extract CSRF resp.text CSRF equals this, and then post login, post this to my account. Copy. So shop dot. No, we want if shop dot no proxy request dot post. This should be, let's move this to a different one. Def change email. I don't know what we need. This will be CSRF. We're gonna and shop CSRF request.post. What do we need to post? We need data equals email and CSRF email. This will be, again, I'm going to hard code it, Trevor at don'twannacry.com. Boom. And CSRF will be CSRF request if URL will be shop.base URL plus my account change email. Data equals data. Else. This should be resp equals. I don't know if we'll. Whoops. What just happened? There we go. Proxies equals utils dot proxies. And then Vera equals false. Okay. Return. Let's examine what was the if 302? Nah, we'll just return resp.text. Well, I mean, I guess we can return resp. We can, it's going to automatically follow this redirect. So on this page, if we see your email address is this, we can call it good. So here, if resp.if this in resp.text log.info email successfully changed, else log.info email log.error. Email change was not. All right. Whew. We'll return the rest just in case we want to see it. And then finally, we logged in, we updated. Now we need to delete Carlos, which should be just a get to the one that always, the /admin. Let's just go look at another script. We did some in information disclosure. I want to see in one of these we deleted Carlos. But we don't have the freaking... Whatever. We can just do this. Pattern. No, not that one. No. This one. This, we need a change email with shop CSRF. And then finally we need delete Carlos. I don't know what we'll need, but def delete Carlos shop. We'll need shop probably. Except for we want this down here. We need cookies. Delete Carlos. Shop cookies. Let's just provide that now because I know we'll need it. Change email address. So where do we log in? This isn't going to work without being logged in. Without, oh, right here is where we log in. And we get cookies. So I need everything after this. Change email address needs cookies. Cookies. Cookies equals cookies. Okay. And then we'll use the same there. All right. I have no idea how close this is to being solved. but I think it's been over 15 minutes. So hopefully this site is now dead. So I can start over from scratch. It is not, which sucks. Okay, because I want this to be blank. I want to do everything from scratch. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when in 15 minutes when the site's dead, so we can start from scratch with our fancy dancy script. That is way too much trouble for this apprentice level BS. Anyway, all right, see you in a minute. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes. Let's check it out. This looks promising. And so I think we're all done. All we need to do is run it. Let's do arrow up, delete this. Dang it. Okay. Let's give that a shot. Registering. Attempting to log in. Logged in. Woo! Boom! There we go. Awesome. So in this lab, we took advantage of the fact that it would show the admin page if your email address ended in "don't wanna cry" or whatever. And so we registered an account using our normal email address and then use the form on the website to change our email address to the "don't wanna cry." And then we could log into the admin page and delete the user Carlos. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.